Hey guys, welcome to the Drackiseries here. This is Jason and this is another Minecraft tutorial for you guys today. This tutorial should be pretty useful for you guys, especially if you are having issues with the Minecraft Nether update. I am currently on the 1.16.4 version of Minecraft. I am on the Java edition and I'm going to show you guys how to find Nether fortresses really easy within Minecraft, and we can actually use a tool that's actually online so that we can actually find a Nether fortress really easily. But just before I show you guys how to do that, I just want to remind you that I do lots of different Minecraft content, so if you do enjoy the video then be sure to subscribe to the channel. In the Minecraft Nether update, guys, it is full of so many different new biomes and new mobs and new generation that it is now quite a bit harder in order to find a Nether fortress within the Nether. The Nether used to be quite a lot emptier back in the day. It used to be a barren red desert, but now it is just full of life and full of danger, I suppose. But I'm going to be showing you guys how we can actually find out where the Nether fortress actually is. Now, the first step in order to find the Nether fortress is you're going to have to go and press T to access your commands right here. And what you're going to want to do is you'll want to do the /seed command. Now, when you actually do that, it will actually output the seed right here. And this is the seed for your Minecraft Java world. And this seed is very important. Now, obviously, the seed determines the generation and what your world actually looks like, the one that you're actually going to be playing in. Now, what you're going to want to do, guys, is once you've actually typed in the command and it's outputted the seed, you're then going to want to click on the seed so that it copies it into your clipboard right here. Alright guys, the next step is that I'm going to be leaving a website link within the description of the video. It is from chunkbase.com, and this allows you to use a Nether Fortress Finder on their website. So what you can actually do is further down you can actually paste in the seed that you copied from your Minecraft. And once you actually paste that in, you'll notice that underneath there is actually a map right here. And basically the whole point of this map is it's meant to try and show you where all of the Nether fortresses are within the Nether. Now, as you can see, if I scroll out the map right here, you can see over thousands and thousands of blocks within the Nether. There's actually literally hundreds of Nether fortresses. But when you actually scroll in, you'll see that they are fairly sparse and they do not spawn terribly close together. Now, what we need to do here, guys, is we need to find basically which Nether fortress we want to actually target. Now, what we need to do for that is we now need to go back into our Minecraft so that we can actually find out where we actually are within the Nether. So guys, I'm back within the Nether right here, and what you're going to have to do is press the F3 key so that the debug information appears on the screen. And what you're going to want to look at is on the left hand side there is a line that says XYZ. Now, as you can see, this position changes as you move in the Nether, and it has 3 sets of numbers. Now, what you're going to want to focus on is the first and the third number. So in this case, I've got -37 and 6. You're going to want to write those down so that you can use that on the Chunkbase page that I showed you earlier. Okay guys, I'm back on the Chunkbase webpage, and what we now need to do is we need to find where we actually are on this map right here. Now, what you need to do is down in the bottom left hand corner of the map, as you move your mouse around, it will output an X and a Z coordinate. And what you need to do is the 2 numbers that you wrote down a moment ago, you need to make it so that they are equal to the 2 numbers that are being shown here. So if I try and find where I need to be right here, so I need 6 on the Z, which is around here, and then I need X to be minus 37. So if I move myself over here, so I've found my exact point on the map, give or take a few coordinates. I found minus 40 on the x-axis and 4 on the z-axis, which is pretty close to where I am in the Nether. And as you can see, there is a red dot right here that's very close. So you're going to want to focus in on this red dot right here, because this is the closest Nether fortress that is to you. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hover over the red square. Now in the right corner below the map, there is a bit of text that says crossing at and then 2 numbers. These 2 numbers tell you the X and Z coordinate of the crossing section of the Nether Fortress that you need to find. So all you now need to do is write down those 2 numbers and then go back to the Nether and try and find it. So in this case, I need to be looking at X107 and Z155. So guys, I'm back within the Nether right here, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm basically going to be now trying to find this Nether Fortress within my Minecraft world right here. Now it's important to note that this only works for Minecraft Java Edition. I do not believe this will work for Bedrock, but you can always give it a go. But this definitely works for Minecraft Java Edition. Now, if we go this way, I'm going to make it so that the X coordinate actually equals 107, which is around there. And then I'm going to increase my Z coordinate so that it is 155. So let's try and do that, shall we? Let's go back over this way. And as you guys can see right here, we have stumbled upon a Nether Fortress. And as said by the Chunkbase website, we have actually managed to find the Nether Fortress without having much hassle. Now, if you are in a hurry to find a Nether Fortress within your world right here, this is a great little tool that you can actually use in order to find one very quickly to your Nether portal. And as you can see, it pretty much directs you to the center of the Nether Fortress, and as you can see, there are many corridors that span out in each direction, and you can go to this Nether Fortress and you can fight wither skeletons if that's what you're actually here for, or you can find the blazes. There's actually a blaze spawner right here. And yeah guys, so that is basically the whole point of this video, is to show you guys how to get to a Nether Fortress incredibly quickly using that Chunkbase website. It is quite a nice little thing. Obviously you can always try and find the Nether Fortress naturally within your world, but if you are in a bit of a hurry or you just want to find a Nether Fortress within your game right here, this is a very easy way of finding it. So if you guys did enjoy the video, a like on the video would be very much appreciated, especially if you're going to be using this tool in order to find your Nether Fortress. And if you want to see more Minecraft content, then by all means subscribe to the channel so you keep up to date with everything that I am doing. But guys, it has been really fun. Hopefully you find this tip helpful in order to find Nether Fortresses within your game, and hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.